Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of CAD Tutorials. This is Architect Ems, your CAD instructor. So before we proceed with our lessons, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video. Welcome to the Draw With Me sessions in CAD 11. So today we will draw the drawings listed in your major plate. Watch this video and draw with me. First, we need to start the drawing and set the parameters in Autocad. 7. Make sure that this is 1, show annotation objects, and it's 1:1. And then the object snap. This object snap setting, select all, should be select all. Okay, now let's create layers through here. Again, click here, then add layer, line, change color, and set their alignment to default. Add another layer, dimension layer, select color, set line, set your line weight to default. Okay. Here, let's load phantom lines, and send the okay, apply there. Here, let's create a dimension style. T, there, and then new. Scale 1:100. Lines. Architecturality. Text. This one. This. Should be above dimension line, centered left to right, aligned with dimension line. Primary unit, set this to 2 decimal places. Set current, close. So let's do the first figure, the interlace. So as you may see, this is made of square. The dimension is 6x6, the thickness is 50, and it's interlaced. The other square is twisted into 45 degrees. Okay. REC D 6x6. Enter. Offset. Let's do the first figure, which is the interlace, by drawing square D, REC, D, 6 by 6, and then offset 0.5, and then REC, D, click, offset 0.5, and then rotate RO, select, find the center, 45, move, find the center, and then click. Now, let's trim this object, trim, PR, select object, this is below, above, below, this is above, below, above, below, and this is above. There, trim. Now let's change the layer of this one to line. Recolor this one here, yellow. Then put PL here, PL, change the color to color 8, then change the color to a hidden light. Now dimension, DLI, dimension, dimension align, DAL, DLI, now you need to set these layers into dimension. Now, for the angle, DAN, there. That's the first figure, the interlace. Next figure, square weave. So the square weave. So let's create REC, D, 6 by 6. Now let's create the smaller square, which is 2 by 2. REC, D, 2 by 2. And then offset 0.5. Copy. Copy. And then let's delete this one. PL. Extend to TR, select the object, enter, then let's delete this one, and then this is below, escape, trim this one. So if this is below, it should be like this one. Come. It should be like this one. Extend, then trim this one. The next is below and above. Extend this one. Next is below. So let's put a line here, or there. That's your square weave. Now let's change the layer line and then change the color here into yellow. Let's put dimensions, DLI, then DCO, so that's your square weave. The third figure is segmented circles. So as you may see, this is the biggest circle with a radius of 3. These are half circle with a radius of 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, and 2.5. So meaning their diameter is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the biggest circle is 6. So let's do the segmented circles. C, then D, 6. This is the biggest circle. Now let's draw the smallest. Let's draw the other circles. C, D, 1. Put this here. Find the center. C, D2, find the center here at the side and put it at C, D3, move it here, C, D4, and C, D5. If we're done with this one, let's put a construction line at the middle and then trim. Copy. Let's copy this one. There. Yes. Move it here. That's your segmented circles. So assign yellow color to the biggest circle, assign color red to the other semicircle, put all necessary dimensions. So select all layer. So here, assign the color yellow and then DRA for dimension radius. There, segmented circle. Next, the fan out. So this is a bit tricky. The circle radius is 1.5 and 3. That's 3 and 6. So, circle the 6, circle the 3, and then create offset 0.8, and then PL, (2.5), 1.2, PL 2.5, 1.2, filler 0.8, select this one, select, and then how many fans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So AR, array, then polar, specify center here. Now you connect this one. Yes, and then trim. That's your fan out. Now, in the notation, it says, assign color yellow to all the drawing except the circle in hidden line. Use guidelines color 8. This one is hidden and it's red. These fans are in. Let's assign first to line, and then yellow. This one is red, and then put guidelines. There, match properties, okay. Color it. Explode. Okay. Match properties. Polar tracking set to 36 feet. Mirror set 8. Trim. Match properties, and then DAN. dimension radius 1.5 and then 3. Dimension radius is 1. Let's just put dimension radius here. There. That's how you do your fan out. Next plate. This is a plate. Just like how we did with the fan out, same method. First, we draw the circles at the center and put guidelines. So XL, and then the inner circle is radius 1.2 and the outer circle is radius 1.5. Check. Okay. Now we have smaller circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. XL offset 1 meter and create a circle of a radius of 0.75. C 0.75. And then number of circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Array polar, specify your center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Height 6. Next, yes. A circle of 1.25 radius. C. Copy. Find center. Delete this one. Now put guideline. Select, then trim. And then FR2. Click. Bring back the guidelines. Let's just copy this one. Now let's put some dimensions. Assign color yellow to the outer line of the drawing, other circles in color red except the circle inside at radius 1.5 and 1.2. Put all necessary dimension, guidelines equals color A. Don't forget to save your work, baka mag-fatal error yung Autocad. Match properties. There. Next figure is the gear. Same technique as the others. Copy the guidelines. Then circle radius 6. No, radius 3. That's radius 3. Radius 0.8, radius 1. And then one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 1 by 1.1. Okay, offset 0.5 and then XL here, offset 1. And then delete our 0.1. Select our 0.1. Now array AR polar, specify center of the circle, item is 12. And then explode, it's 0.4. FR 0.4. Click, enter, click, enter. Click, click, enter, click, click, enter. Now let's do this one in here. That's 2.5 and 2.10. See? 2.5. See? 2.1. And then trim, A, center click, and then the circles, guidelines 0.5, the radius is 0.2, C 0.2, move, number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, color, One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Now let's do this one. Color tracking, then assign color in all drawings except the small circles and the elongated shape. Put all necessary dimension, guidelines, course, color A. There, just put your dimensions in this figure as stated in the guide. Next, plate the Nautilus. So first, let's do the biggest circle. Copy this guideline. The 6 and then 0.4, 0.5, 0.9, and 1. And then 1.4, 1.5. Offset 0.1, that's 1.5. And then offset, extend here, and then array, object polar array, specify center, item 20. That's 70. Then let's trim this one. Don't forget to save your work. And then put the dimension using beam radius. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then number 8, the gear. Now this is a bit tricky, but we have the same solution or drawing method for the gear number 2. Again, we need to set our guideline and then draw first the circle. So first, let's draw the circles. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Array, color, specify center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the tools of the gear. So we have 0.1 and 0.04. One. Now the 60 AR, color, triangle center, and then item 60. We need 0.04. Load. And then fill it. Save your work. Here, now, let's do this one. So it's 0.46 by 0.34. By 34. And then let's create this one a 0.75 radius, and then this one here, and then 1, 2, 6 AR color by center item 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then put necessary dimension. Assign yellow in all the drawings of the outer circle and the circle in the hidden line. Put all necessary dimension. So assign layer. Explode this one. This is hidden in that color. Match. There. That's how you do the gear. Just put the dimension. Now let's do the isometry. I will just do the drawing process and drawing it. So the box is 4x4. Let's do the isometry. This is box 4x4. Color tracking. F8. F8 4, copy, copy, move there, that's your box, and then find the center. This is 2, copy this one, copy, copy, then copy. So copy this one, so that's your box. Now let's do 1, then 2. Polyline, slam, that's how you do the box. Now just add the other details like this one, copy, and then match properties, now let's do the other box. So this is a 4x4 block with an offset of 0.2 and 0.2, with an offset of 1.2 and 1.2, and a smaller block of 1 by 1 by 1. Okay, so the angle is 3060, XL, color tracking on, this is 60 degrees, that's 60 degrees, 30 mirror, F8, delete, trim, offset 4, trim, and then PL4, copy, then copy, so that's it, the block. Now we offset this one, set 1.2, and then this is center, on center. Select FR0, trim, with this one, move this one, and then offset 1 and 1, then trim, PL1, copy, PL, extend, then trim. So that's your block. Now, how do you put the shadow? So first you need to create a polyline. PL, the shadow will be imperfect, so that's your polyline, and then hats, ANSI, use ANSI, ANS 131, ANSI 31, select this one, preview, then you may delete this one, and then put another PL, hatch, again, preview, okay, select this one, so that's the isometric block. Now let's go to the layout tab. So in your layout tab, you will see this window. So let's create a title block. So how do we create this title block? So 297 by 210. And then with a margin of 10, 15, then 10 and 10. AC, REC, P 297, 210. There you have it. And then F8 for the guidelines. Now offset 10, 10, 10, 10, offset 15. REC, this one assign. Let's create a title block here. Put it creating a title block layer. Then assign this one to depth point, color yellow, this one to magenta, depth point, title block. So in here we have 50. So construction line offset 50. Trim. And then we have 30, 10, 20. You just create polyline and then offset. Offset 30. 30, 10, 20. Look at one. And then 10, 10, 10. Offset 10, 10, and 10. And then 60, 10, and 30. Offset 60. Offset 10. And then that's the 30. Now you create empty for the text, drag your name. You select this one. Okay, standard. Make sure na naka-highlight siya. Then 5, 4, 1, 2, there. Tapos copy mo lang, then change the text. Now, and then if you want to insert an image here, insert image and then find the logo there. Then set mo siya image frame to 2. Then put this into a color there. Now let's plot one drawing. So this is your paper. Now MV, create a rectangle, then go inside the rectangle, double click, find your drawing. Before you do this, make sure ito naka-on and walang naka-freeze dito. Don't freeze any layer here kasi baka hindi siya magpakita. So what's the scale of this drawing? It's 1:60. So how do you do a 1:60? Simple. So pag nasa model space ka na, to be export, click the enter, C, and again, the enter, C, enter, 1000 over 60 XT. Don't forget the XT and then enter. So that's it. Tapos click dito. Put your mouse outside, double click, then click the viewport, lock it, change it to depth points, change the color para then adjust. You can adjust this one there, and then you can select your own attribute. So this one is in here. So there, you can change this one to the title. Interlay. And its 1:60. Pwede ka namang gumawa ng sarili mong attribute. Circle, like this one, and then line, polyline. Tapos, lalagyan mo lang ng empty. Like that. Change mo lang. It's too big. Find the right. No. 10. Oh, let's put it at 7. This one, move it. Then copy. Change. Copy. 1:60. Empty it. There. Now again, for others, you might just copy this one. So, yung pag-copy may difference din yan. Pag ganito, from right to left, makakopy lahat. And pag from here to there, pili lang. There. So, you just copy this one. Move muna natin to. You can copy lahat. Tapos, move mo lang yun. For example, ito, anong dimension? It's 1:50. So, how do you do a 1:50? Unlock this one, and then re-enter, 1,000, tapos yung kailangan ng scale, either 100, 50, 700, yung over. So, pag sinabing 1:50, 1,000 over yung scale, 50. Don't forget to execute, enter, and then click outside, lock the viewport. Don't forget to lock the viewport para hindi mag-move yung model. Make sure na naka-depth points yung viewport, and then just move here. Tapos, palitan mo to. Okay? Now, pag ipa-plot mo na siya sa PDF, Ctrl+P, and then go to previous plot if meron, or so dapat, hanapin mo to, DWD to PDF in this window. Tapos, dapat ISO full bleed A4, and then dito window, and then window. Tapos, click mo dito hanggang doon sa M. Tapos dito dapat MM 1:1. Not fit to paper. Center the plot. Landscape. Tapos mamimili ka dito. It's either monochrome. Try natin yung monochrome. Preview. That's the monochrome. And let's try the drop. Window again. Click. There. So from the preview, escape, then OK, then save it somewhere else, C1, then save. There. That's to PDF file of your drawing plotted in an A4 size font paper.